Welcome to the repair video on how to replace the field of your EUROBOOR Magnetic Drilling Machine. Before we start, let's remove the handles for extra space to maneuver. Do the same with the cable clamp in case your machine has an external cable. Unscrew the top or end cover. Note that for some older high-end models you need to remove a metal cover first. Now unscrew the white cap or adapter ring cap, followed by disconnecting the two wires connected to the field as seen in the video. Now unscrew the bolt on the front of the motor holder. Detach the carbon brush from its holder as shown in the video, but do it on both sides. Unscrew the two bolts of the top fixing plate and remove it. Remove the gearbox from the machine and unscrew it 4 screws. Now lift the housing from the inner gear plate to reveal the armature. Detach the field wire on both sides, next to the carbon brush holders. Put the housing upside down and remove the baffle. Now remove both screws from the bottom of the field. Turn the housing around again and guide the two field wires safely through the middle so they don't get stuck on something when you remove the field. Gently slam a corner of the housing to get the field out. Now it's time to install the new field. See this white wire? We have to carefully align it with the bridge in the housing. This is the bridge we're talking about. Align the field screw holes with those of the housing and guide the white wire into the bridge. Screw the field in tight and replace the baffle. Turn the housing upside down and reconnect the field wire with the carbon brush holder on both sides. Do you see the broadside here and the label here? Install it into the housing so that the label is on the left of the broadside. Then flip the entire piece upside down and screw the gearbox and the housing back tight. For practicality, place the installation as seen in the video. Now reattach the carbon brush on both sides. Replace the top fixing plate, followed by the white cap. Reconnect the two wires according to their colors and guide them back into the clamps of the white cap on both sides. Refit the end cover and screw it back on tight. Fit the installation back into the frame and screw back the two bolts on top. And the one on front if applicable. And finally, reattach the cable with the cable clamp in case your machine has an external cable. That's it. Enjoy your EUROBOOR machine with its new field.